Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. Well, it's happened again. I broke the windshield on my Tesla Model 3 for a second time. The first time was due to a rock that came up off the road and chipped my windshield. Had to get the windshield replaced about a year and a half ago. This second time though, was completely my fault. Take a look at this video here from my security camera in front of my house. I was loading my mountain bike up onto my bike rack attached to my Tesla roof rack on my Model 3. While I was loading the bike on, the front fork slipped off the front of the rack and smashed down onto my windshield. Of course, it's never fun to have a windshield broken and then having to go through the process of getting it repaired. Luckily though, with my insurance, I have full glass coverage, so it's not going to cost me any money. I'll get fully reimbursed for this, but just the process is kind of annoying. Let me take you through the process of getting my windshield repaired for the second time. Here's a close-up of the windshield. You can see the point of impact here in the upper right-hand corner of my windshield, and then a nice spidering of the glass crack around that point of impact. And then extending down into the middle of the windshield, I have about a 2-foot long crack that blocks my vision of driving. So this crack is too long to get repaired. We're gonna have to replace the windshield. I'm gonna take you through the process of the replacement of this second windshield and then do a quick comparison to let you guys know if anything has changed. Hopefully this go around, the process will be a little bit quicker, and I'll also be able to show you if the price has changed in a year and a half. Let's go ahead and make a service appointment on my Tesla app, and then we'll get my Model 3 into the Tesla Service Center to get this windshield repaired. All right, opening the Tesla app, I need to set up a service appointment to get my windshield fixed. Okay, to do that, we're gonna scroll down to the service menu. Looking for appointments. Schedule service. Windshield and top glass. Next. Fast forwarding through the typing of these details, but it says need windshield replacement. Insurance will cover at 0 deductible. Bullseye shaped glass crack on upper right corner of windshield with long single crack extending down toward the center of the windshield. We'll upload this photo. It's going to search for mobile service, even though this replacement is going to require me taking it to the service center. So you put in your home address, and we're going to go down here and select Rockville. Earliest time is Friday the 30th. Phone and email address. Next. Service scheduled. And here's our appointment information preparation. Your service visit is scheduled. We'll begin review shortly. That's it. Being on the Tesla app now, under the service menu, it says upcoming appointment on May 3rd, 2021 at 9 a.m. All right, I'm using the new messaging service within the Tesla app, and we have a new message from our service team. I've asked a few questions to them, and we've exchanged a few messages, but I wanted to show an example of how the new messaging system works. Click on that, and the Tesla app opens. I'm going to click on message. And the latest message I asked the service team was how long I should expect to be without my Model 3. I did have my windshield replaced in 2019. The last time I had my windshield repaired, it took about 3 days for the windshield to be repaired. And the latest message from Tesla here is that they have a better turnaround time now, and they aim to have it back same day and next day at the worst. This is great news. So we'll see if this actually works out when my appointment time comes. Okay, it's 3 days before my windshield repair appointment, and I checked in with Tesla to make sure that they had a windshield in stock for me. I sent them a message through this messaging app in the Tesla app. So I received one message saying that they do have the windshield in stock for me, and another message confirming my appointment, and that they continue to implement a touchless and keyless drop-off for a seamless experience. Let's review and approve my estimate on the service screen, clicking view. Okay, so it says the cost estimate is $912.86. We'll view it. Looks like they're going to be checking my tire pressure and the condition of my tires for free, And the windshield replacement is going to cost $881 with $31.86 of taxes, bringing the total cost of the windshield replacement to $912.86. This is actually really great news because the windshield that I got replaced about 18 months ago in October of 2019 came to a grand total of $1,008.26. So almost $100 less this time around. So we're going to go ahead and approve this estimate. And it says that I approved it today, April 30th, 2021. The next step, since I've approved the estimate, is my repair coming up on Monday. Rideshare credits will be provided here. We offer rideshare credits to keep you moving while your car is in service. A link to these credits will be provided on your appointment screen. Click it to open your rideshare app, accept your voucher, and hail a ride.
In 500 feet, turn right to stay on Cecil Street. Then your destination will be on the left.
All right, guys, I'm pulling into the Rockville, Maryland Tesla Service Center to get my front windshield replaced. Going to be dropping it off, and they'll have it probably for a good chunk of the day before returning it back to me. I'll have Uber credits, so I'll be able to take an Uber back home.
Now turn right to stay
and
on
then
Cecil Street.
we'll be good to go. But here you can see the crack right now extends right into the front of my vision. So quite a bit. Looks like we have some new Model Ys being delivered. Pretty cool. That might be why we have these cones here.
Now your destination is on the left.
Alright, there's a number of people waiting outside, probably for Ubers. Should be getting my text notification pretty soon with the $100 voucher for the day. Alright, so my Tesla app updated with the status of my car being in service with an estimated completion of 6 p.m. today. And I have a new message from Tesla. Let's take a look at that. I believe this is my Uber credit. Rideshare credits are now available. Leave your keys in the drop box before requesting your ride. Your car is being serviced. Access rideshare credits. Here's my $100 credit issued by Tesla Motors. Accepting the voucher. Alright guys, I just got a call about 10 minutes ago from Tesla saying that my windshield has been repaired and I'm ready to go pick up my car. I've ordered my Uber Black and waiting for it to come pick me up. Right now I'm going to be going ahead and putting in the payment for my windshield through the Tesla app. And when I get to my car, I'm just going to get into it like normal using my phone app or even my key card. So pretty easy service visit here, and what can I say? I'm saving some money this time around, a little bit cheaper for the windshield. Okay, here's my Uber on the way, 12 minutes away, Uber Black, and I am using the Tesla voucher for Uber. Let's go back to the app. So you can see here that in the app, it says my car is ready for pickup. It's sitting at the Tesla Service Center. I'm going to go down and get into the service menu. Here it is, payment due. You can review your final payment with the service team. View the invoice. We can see here on the invoice that there was a concern. Inspect X950 and 952 for damaged electrical circuits. No wire repair necessary. That must be something that was, it's covered under warranty obviously, but maybe was a service concern that I didn't know about. Update concern, requesting full self-driving beta download per Elon Musk tweet. This is a previous service request I had in that I canceled. Check tire pressure and depth. Looks like I'm down to 530 seconds. And this other concern here, need windshield replacement. Verified customer concern, replace windshield. Vehicles with second generation or later autopilot hardware. Verified proper operation. Parts were $495. A Beta Prime primer was $6, and the Beta Seal sealant was $30, with a labor charge of $350. So a total of $881 plus tax. Overall payment due $912.86. I'll go ahead and pay that with my Tesla app. Okay, so pay with card. Using my credit card that I have, pay $912.86. It's simple. Payment processing. And there is touch-free service. Literally did not have to talk to anyone in person or meet anyone in person or even pay in person. Everything through the Tesla app. The only in-person, semi-in-person contact I had to do was with the Uber from the Tesla Service Center to home and back again. All right, guys, I'm here at the Tesla Service Center, back here with my Model 3 with the new windshield installed. Looking really nice. It's great not to see any dings in the windshield or cracks anymore. Looks like a very professional job. Looking good. Nice and smooth. Hopefully we can keep it that way, but driving around here sometimes it's really easy to pick up rocks. Let's get inside the car. All right, so from inside the car, obviously with a brand new windshield, everything's looking really good here. Really happy with having a new windshield in my Model 3. The last one lasted about a year and a half and probably could have lasted longer, but unfortunately a little bit of a slip up with loading my bike on the top of the roof rack, and that caused the crack. So I've definitely learned a lesson from that, and I'll have to be more careful putting my bike onto the top of the car, making sure that the front of the bike is locked in before worrying about the back end. All right, so thanks for watching. Definitely click that subscribe button and give me a like or leave a comment if you have any questions. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these Tesla Service Center videos. Definitely like to share with the Tesla community and those even that don't have Teslas what it's like to get your electric car service. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter at Tesla Family Chan. Use my referral code to buy a new Tesla and you will get 1,000 free supercharging miles. Or if you use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels, you'll get a $100 reward after system activation.